This is a follow-up video to the original video I posted about the stabilitrack traction control ABS kill switch. I've installed this toggle switch on my dash right next to the tow haul button, and I was just able to test it in some snow. The stabilitrack engaged, cut engine power, and I was able to turn that switch off and instantly be rid of the stabilitrack, get the traction and momentum that I needed. I'll show you what's going on here. Going up this incline. I kind of come in from the street, go up this incline and loop around, and I come back in. I'm towing this 4,000-pound trailer. So I'll show you what I've done. Under the dash, I've got this inline fuse holder. I've put a normal ATC 40 fuse in there, and going into the fuse box, this is a 1/4 inch. These are jumbled together in the same box. You need 2 1/4 inch female quick disconnects to plug in to where that original J case 40 amp fuse went in the fuse box. Then you can exit that fuse box with some wires, come under your dash, put your fuse holder, and run up there and have your toggle switch. This works really well. This is the solution that I think everybody's been working for, and I've been able to power up that hill with no problem. I also have a Detroit True Track, so that helped as well. Hope this helps.